In this video, the mighty Waikato River, footage of our brand new Skydio 2 drone. Adele achieved a dirt drone milestone and got awarded with an extra large pizza.
It's great to be back. It's certainly been a while since our last road alley video. The weather hasn't been great in Auckland of late, lots of rain. But when we woke up this morning, great sunshine, and weather predictions is pointing to a nice day for motorcycling. Today we're planning to head south to Nikau Caves, where we'll have a stopover for lunch, and then back north to Auckland. So yeah, we're really looking forward and hope you enjoy our video. Today presents an interesting challenge. The last time we did this road was with the BMW Motorcycle Club. The guys were traveling at a relatively high speed and had a bad fall around one of the corners. So today I need to prove to myself that I can perform along a challenging dirt road with confidence.
Look at this beautiful spot. Look at the bikes. Adele, hello. Look at this river. Wow. Stunning. Where's that? Where are they? There's a number of peacocks. Oh, there is. Number of peacocks and wow. So nice. At Nikau Caves. That's Nikau Caves, that's where we're gonna have our pizza. There's our bikes. There's Adele. Where's your helmet? Okay. How nice it is. Wow. Outside. Stunning. Beautiful. We need to go that way. That way is rain. That way is nice clear weather.
I think something's wrong with the pin code. What is the pin code? And I changed the one digit around.
Was the card still working then? It hadn't stopped because too many times it stops, isn't it?
Thank you.
Okay, so your extra large salami.
A rewarding beer after a long, challenging day on a dirt road. It hasn't been easy, but I'm proud to say that I've accomplished my goal. And wow, what a reward! A stunning pizza. I'm so glad we accomplished our goal and made it out here to Nikau Caves. So glad to share it with Peter. enjoy our video, please like it.
If you want to follow more of our adventures, please subscribe to our channel.